need to understand that treating women with respect and kindness is the foundation of a healthy and successful relationship. They can't expect women to treat them well or show respect if they themselves aren't behaving properly. A relationship is a two-way street. When men act with love, respect, and fairness, they can then expect women to treat them the same way. If a man is disrespectful or unfair, he shouldn't expect the woman to be kind and respectful in return. However, when a man consistently behaves with care and respect, a woman will feel valued, and she will have no reason to leave. A woman who feels loved and appreciated will remain loyal and devoted, making the relationship stronger and lasting.
If you agree, drop 100, then hit the follow button, because this account is for you.